In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PancakeSwap with MetaMask, enabling you to efficiently swap tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Whether you're new to the decentralized finance space or just looking to expand your horizons, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive into it and make this experience seamless for you. First, we need to prepare your MetaMask wallet to interact with PancakeSwap. Open your MetaMask extension or app, and we're going to add the Binance Smart Chain network to it. This is crucial because PancakeSwap operates on the Binance Smart Chain rather than Ethereum, and we need to configure MetaMask accordingly. In MetaMask, find the option to add a new network. You'll see prompts to enter the network details, which we'll provide you now. Enter the following details carefully. The network name will be Binance Smart Chain. In the RPC URL field, paste this exact URL, https://bscdataseed.binance.org. For the chain ID, type in 56. The currency symbol should be set to BNB. Double-check these details to make sure they are correct, as any errors could lead to connectivity issues. After you've input all these details accurately, hit the Save button. You'll then want to switch your network to the Binance Smart Chain within MetaMask to ensure you're set up correctly. Now that we've configured MetaMask, the next step is to fund your wallet. You'll need some BNB in your MetaMask wallet to complete transactions on PancakeSwap, including covering network fees. Transfer the amount of BNB you wish to use from your exchange account or another wallet to your MetaMask BSC address. Always make sure to double-check the address and transaction details to avoid any mistakes. With BNB in your wallet, go to the PancakeSwap website by entering https://pancakeswap.finance in your browser's address bar. Once you are on the PancakeSwap homepage, look for the Connect Wallet button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it, then select MetaMask from the list of wallet options presented. Allow any pop-ups and follow the prompts to complete the wallet connection process. Now that your MetaMask wallet is connected to PancakeSwap, you're ready to swap tokens. On the PancakeSwap interface, select the tokens you wish to trade. If you're swapping BNB for another token, make sure to adjust the From and To fields accordingly and input the amount you wish to swap. When you're happy with your selections, click the Swap button to proceed with the transaction. A prompt will appear in your MetaMask, summarizing the transaction details. Review everything carefully, including the gas fees and token amounts. If all looks good, confirm the transaction within MetaMask. After a short processing period, your swap should be complete. Congratulations, you've successfully used PancakeSwap with MetaMask. Enjoy exploring the possibilities of decentralized finance and happy trading.